Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to print wireless with your HP OfficeJet Pro printer. In this case, it's a 9012E model, and it's possible to print by using a smartphone app, for example, which is available in the Google Play Store and of course in the App Store of Apple. But you can make more. You can print via Wi-Fi direct, or here in this case, it's an Apple device, an iPad Pro, and this is possible to make an AirPrint option. AirPrint is direct print via an AirPrint enabled printer like this HP OfficeJet Pro here. How we perform this? We have here an iPad Pro. Okay, this iPad Pro comes with AirPrint on. Okay, so we can go to it. And we have here a document. Let's go here over here. Yeah, here you can see it. I made it a little object here. It's a document. And then we go to this sign here. And then we have to choose print. It's really easy. Then we can make some settings here. If it does not find your HP Office directly, you go to printers and then you choose the printer. Okay, let's do this again. Here, if you choose the printer, which is nearly and it's AirPrint enable, you can enter into it. So we can use presets if we like, black and white, and a draft color or a color fine, for example. Then we can make copies of this, what we are going to print in color, double-sided. That's a really cool function. Paper size is A4, but you can choose another paper form, of course. Then meter and quality and layout. Then we push print and job's done. After a couple of seconds, it should gives over via AirPrint the informations to our device here, to the printer, and here we are. The document is printed anymore. Here we are. You can see. Subscribe PDP Performance on YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe HCC to the Hotel Jack channel. This is the news channel of us. Okay, next up is we are going to print now the next thing. I get back the paper into it because this is only for demonstration. The next thing is we have here an app. Okay, this is the HP. Here we are, HP Smart app, as you can see. We enter into it, and then we choose one document. And this document we can make print preview, share or save, shortcuts, or mobile fax. Let's go to the print preview. Now we can choose the printer. The printer is setup completed. That means it is ready to print over the internet, and this app is looking for this, so you can print all over the world if you have access to the internet with your printer at home, for example. Paper print copies, private pickup. This is a cool feature. When the private backups will be on, we don't have to worry about other things or points. The printer waits until we are in front of our printer to begin printing the file you sent. Private backup is available only for H Plus users, okay? HP Plus uses exclusive. But this is a cool feature if you share your printer with others. Then we print quality, color options, and two-sided options. Of course, short edge or long edge. You can choose, and then you push print, and it's going to print the document you have chosen before. Really cool. Okay, let's go back to the main area of it here. So here we are. Start. How we reached this before? I was pushing here print document, of course. And then you can choose out of cloud services, if you like, my photos, all files, or HP files. And of course you can make here with this more. That means you can make a printer scan, a camera scan, a mobile fax, print photos, of course. This is a little bit better with the resolution, and copy. because we have here another option that we can scan with our app, for example. This is not available for AirPrint, it's only in the app, and we can choose now a document. Let's get a document into position, for example, here. So here it is printed. Okay, here, yeah. Now we are going to have this place on the scanner system, and then we can choose here out of the app. Of course, we are going to print a scan. Then we have badge, photo, text extract, multi-item, book, ID card. We choose document. Then we push the start button. We can see here now the scan is in progress. If the scan finished, it is ready for printing. Really cool feature, I think. Because you does not need to be at the printer, but the document has to be in the printer, of course. You can here now edit a little bit over the edges, for example, and then you go to the next thing. Then we print preview, and we can start printing the document, of course. Here, it's really easy and cool. Of course, you can scan and make a data backup with that, for example, or you can send it to an email address or something else. Of course, the scan thing via the internet will cost you a little bit of time. It is, of course, faster by using a wired connection, or if you use AirPrint, because AirPrint is nearly, or Wi-Fi Direct. For Wi-Fi Direct, you have an Android phone, for example, and you are enter into this the ad hoc network of the HP OfficeJet Pro, and then you can print directly over your smartphone with Wi-Fi Direct. Really cool features here on the HP OfficeJet Pro. Of course, you can choose here for copy, scan, and picture. That means this is the manual way of printing or scanning and printing on your HP OfficeJet Pro printer system. So that it is how you can easily and nice print with your device by using AirPrint or the HP app, or of course Wi-Fi Direct. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. And here it is again. Here it is. Subscribe PDP Performance on YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe HCC too. That means soon.